This eggless cake is one of the cake you need to try in this summer, which is orange eggless cake. Make it for your family and your friends and you'll enjoy it today. Keep watching. So I'm making use of these 2 oranges. Just follow the instructions and keep watching. This fresh orange zest is one of the ingredients you need for this recipe.
You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take.
You also need the orange juice. Keep watching.
Don't confuse it, only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that.
On the floor, I mix baking powder and baking soda together on it.
With me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
I'm using just a plain granulated sugar and this gram of condensed milk. But if you have vanilla granulated sugar, you can also make use of it. Keep watching.
Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe.
Add your melted butter on it and make sure you stir it very well.
Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.
Now it's time to add your orange tart. Turn it very well before adding your mixed flour, but you need to sieve it like I'm showing you here.
And stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me.
Now stir it gradually as you are adding also a little bit of the orange zest, orange juice. Be adding it gradually, not all at the same time. Keep watching. Now the butter is ready. I'll just go ahead and transfer it to my baking pan. This baking pan, I just rub a sunflower oil at the bottom of it, and then on top of it is just a baking paper, and that's all.
You wanna know what's beginning of love?
So now it's ready. I'm now putting it inside the oven. While waiting for the cake to be done, I'll go ahead and make a fresh orange juice. Keep watching.
Feel like that. Feel like, that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, throwing aside. I can't wait to start. You should call the police.
This addition of lemon helps to reduce the sweetening taste of this orange juice. I always like it that way because this orange, like I showed you at the beginning, if you watch very well that I show you the back of it and the inside of it, it doesn't contain any seed. It is a sweet orange, and that's the reason I always like to reduce the sweetening of it because of the cake. You get it now? Keep watching.
Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
So the orange juice, 100% orange juice, is going straight to the fridge. And now, with the interval of us waiting for the cake to get done, I'm making this ice. This is a mixture of hibiscus flower, that is zobo, and orange juice together. My kids really love the taste, and I too, I love it too. The taste is so wonderful. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Keep watching. So sometimes I use this my chocolate foam to pour a little zobo drink on it, put it on the freezer to freeze very well, and then I'll use it also once I want to drink my orange juice as ice cube. That is me for you, and it's very good. You need to give it a try. So the awaiting yummylistic eggless pound cake is here. Just go ahead, after allowing it to cool a little, make sure you let your knife run around it so that it will be very easy to come out. So easy, just flip it down and then it will now come out just like that.
Feel like that. Feel like.
Oh, I love the look. I love it. You need to have a bit taste of this eggless orange cake. It tastes really good, and one thing I like about it is the flavor. I can feel it. Just go ahead and cut it the way you like it, the way you want to enjoy it. Just cut it like that, just like I'm cutting mine. I just feel like eating it again. So here is the inside. It's very soft. Yeah, very soft. And here comes the look of this cake. Aww, what do you think about this eggless orange pound cake? Tell me what you think about it on the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Let me just have a bite for you. It tastes so yummy. I'll see you in my next upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.